The service suspension system light on your 2021 through 2024 Cadillac Escalade usually points to a blown compressor fuse or a module communication error. Clearing this warning requires checking the underhood fuse block and performing a hard reset on the suspension control module. Open the hood and locate the main fuse box on the passenger side. Pull the cover and look at the diagram to find the air suspension compressor fuse. Inspect this high-amp fuse for a broken element. Replace it with an exact match if it is blown. A blown fuse often means the compressor was overworked due to a system leak. If the fuse is completely fine, a module reset is the next step. Locate the negative battery terminal and loosen the 10mm nut. Pull the negative cable off the battery post completely. Push it aside so it cannot accidentally touch the metal post. Leave the vehicle sit like this for a full 15 minutes. This drains the residual power from the suspension control module. Reconnect the negative battery cable and tighten the 10mm nut securely. Start the Escalade and let the engine idle. Use the suspension control switch on the center console to select the entry-exit height mode. Wait for the vehicle to lower completely. Switch it back to normal ride height. This forces the ride height sensors to calibrate and communicate with the system. Drive the vehicle around the block to verify the warning message is gone. The service suspension light returning immediately means there is a permanent hard fault. You will need to physically inspect the 4 ride height sensor linkages behind each wheel. A broken plastic linkage arm is a common mechanical failure that triggers this exact dashboard warning.